You may be wondering how you can maintain your dry eye treatments at home. At Dr.Pink, Sidhu and Associates, we offer a wide variety of at-home treatments to maintain your dry eye. We offer a variety of eye drops that vary between moderate all the way up to severe dry eyes. These can be used on the daily, recommended by the doctor. We also offer an omega-3 supplement. Omega-3 is very, very good for your eye health as well as other aspects of your health in general. Taking these daily help to relieve dry eye symptoms, and we recommend this one because the potency in this omega-3 supplement specifically is very high. Another treatment that we recommend for at-home maintenance for our dry eye patients is an eye mask. This eye mask has to be heated up in their microwave and it looks like this. You would then, after this mask is heated up, put it on your eyes until the mask has cooled down. Lastly, we do offer some wipes for the eyes. These, you would take a wipe and apply it on the lower and upper eyelid, once again to relieve dry eye symptoms at home. If you're interested in learning more about these products, you can give our clinic a call or email us and we can have a consultation with you, or you can come in during your eye exam and ask about them there as well.